These are English for Asia's top 5 tips for teaching vocabulary. Number 1 is choose the vocabulary carefully. So look at your course book, try and cover what's in there, but also think about, has anything gone out of date? Are there any things which are specific to where you live, which might be different to the course book? And are there any things that your students are interested in that are not covered by the course book? You can add those in. Second, avoid teaching single words. Try and teach phrases, or at the very least, if you're drilling the word school, instead of doing school, do this is a school. Or instead of sheep, you could do these are sheep. This helps both with grammar and with pronunciation. Number 3 is revise. Students forget most of what we teach them if you don't revise. So dedicate part of every class to this, and you can revise new words at the same time as practicing old words. Focus on meaning. Get students to do something meaningful with the new language that they learned. Could be describing themselves, describing a classmate. Research shows that makes that language much more easy to remember. And last of all, use a corpus. If a dictionary shows you how a word should be used, a corpus shows how it is actually used in context. So look up a corpus, there's lots of free ones out there. Find out how words actually get used in real life and integrate that in your teaching.